In this video, we'll learn how to export audio only as MP3 or WAV in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start. First, make sure your timeline has the audio you want to export. You can export audio from the entire sequence or just a selected portion. Now, go to the Export tab at the top. This opens the Export workspace. On the left side, you'll see all the export settings. First, set the file name and location where you want the audio file to be saved. Now look at format. If you want an MP3 file, choose MP3 from the format list. If you want high quality uncompressed audio, choose WAV. Once you select MP3 or WAV, Premiere Pro automatically switches to audio only export, meaning no video will be included. Below that, choose a preset. For most uses, the default preset works perfectly, especially for voice and music. You can ignore video settings since this is an audio only export. Once everything looks correct, click Export. Adobe Premiere Pro will now export only the audio and save it as an MP3 or WAV file in the selected location, and that's it. You now know how to export audio only in MP3 or WAV format cleanly and correctly using Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.